milk chocolate. Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to Dosa to Pizza. I am Kanchi Jayakumar. It's a lovely session of homemade milk chocolates. These milk chocolates are going to be yummy, and the procedure is also very simple, and it's beautiful also to look at how it comes. So let's do this lovely yummy milk chocolate. So a very important thing we should note in this homemade chocolates is that the way of preparing it. So the preparation consists of, we are going to start with a double boiling method. The double boiling method is going to be that your vessel is going to have water and it should boil, and on top of it we are going to keep another vessel, whereas the boiling water should not touch the top vessel. This should get cooked with just the steam of this vessel. So this is the double boiling method, and we are going to follow that to do this chocolate. So here the water is boiling. I'm keeping the next vessel on top of it. So here we are going to use cocoa butter for this. This is how it's been done worldwide, everywhere. Cocoa butter is used to make these chocolates. So unless you're going to use this ingredient, it's not going to get the right taste, smell and the firmness. If we are going to alternate it with so many other things, it's going to be a chocolate for name, but then it's not going to be the true chocolates. So let's do with the cocoa butter. So here, look at this, the butter is melted completely. Now let's add the powdered sugar. So the butter and the sugar are going to be of the equal quantities. Here I have taken equal portion of milk powder and the cocoa powder, so 25 grams each. Now let's add the cocoa powder. So here there are no lumps, all the lumps have been broken and we have a nice flowing texture. Let's pour it into the molds. So here if you like to add some nuts to it, so you can just add some pistachios or almonds. Otherwise you can just do it in the plain chocolate method. So here our chocolates are ready. Here I have used a chocolate mold for this. So this is a mold which was readily available in the shop. Otherwise you can use any flat surfaced lid or a cover or even your ice trays into your fridge, and you will get a nice chocolate out of it. So now let's leave it into the refrigerator to get set for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour so that they get set properly. So I'm going to leave it for 1 hour and then we will see how they have come out. Now after 1 hour we are going to just demold them. And look how it has come. First just loosen the sides. So here, have a look at these lovely, yummy shaped and looking beautiful chocolates. They are going to taste yummy also. So dear friends, hope you enjoyed this session of making these lovely chocolates. They are really yummy and tasty too. So, but remember that we need all these ingredients to get these right. So do try this and keep us posted. Dosa to Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa to Pizza. Thank you and bye-bye.